Good morning, children. How are you all? Enjoyed a very long vacation, isn't it? And with that, enjoyed a vast variety of food. So, during the unexpected long vacation, you all were full of energy. Now, the energy that you all used came from food. So, today we are going to start with chapter 1, that is nutrition in plant. In this chapter, we will cover modes of nutrition in plant, that is autotrophic, heterotrophic. Then food making process in plant and other mode of nutrition in plant. So, now in this picture, it is shown that energy is used for life process. So, during for different activities we need energy. So, from where do we get this energy? We get energy from food. Now, what is present in that food that provides us energy? So, they are the nutrient. These nutrients utilize the energy released by the food, and this nutrient liberate energy. That energy is utilized by our body. Now, these nutrients can be categorized into different group, that is energy giving food. In that we can see the division includes carbon dioxide and fats. Another one are body building food, they are proteins, and protective foods that helps in regulating our body system, they are minerals and vitamins. Now, carbohydrate. These carbohydrates, what do they provide us? They provide energy, as the name is given, energy giving nutrient. Fat provide double amount of energy than the carbohydrates. Body building nutrient. Why do we need body building nutrient? Are we going to for boxing? No, but it helps in wear and tear of our body. So, they are termed as body building food. Now, another group is protective and regulating nutrient. This nutrient contains vitamin and minerals. These vitamin and minerals we get from fruit and vegetable. Now, what is the use of this vitamin and minerals? So, vitamin and minerals, they protect us from different kind of disease and also help in proper working of our body. So, children, nutrition means, if definition wise we go, the process of getting nutrient inside our body and utilizing it for our living, that is called nutrition. So, there are different ways to obtain food, and that is called mode of nutrition. Now, in mode of nutrition, the organism may be autotroph. Autotroph means prepare their own food, and heterotroph, that means they depend on other to obtain their food. So, children, autotroph means preparing on their own, and heterotrophic mode of nutrition in that, and we human beings and animals, they depend on plant for their food. It may be directly or indirectly. Now, under the heading of heterotrophic mode of nutrition, mushrooms are also there. Mushroom, carnivorous plant, they all depend on dead and decaying matter. From the dead and decaying matter, they convert the complex material into simple form and they absorb the simple form of nutrients and they get their food. Now carnivorous plant they absorb the nutrient from trapping the animals. So these nutrients are obtained from dead and decaying matter. There is another group of heterotrophic mode of nutrition, the organism that follows, such as Cuscuta. These all are living. Cuscuta, tick, lice, leech and tapeworm. They all are getting their nutrient from the living organism while depending on them. And as they draw the nutrition from those living organisms, they harm the living organism. Now we see that plants prepare their own food. So what do they use? They use carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. They utilize sunlight, they use water and nutrient by absorbing from the soil. So plants are autotrophs and they prepare their food by the process called photosynthesis. This is, as they prepare their own food, they are also called producers. Now, why does only the plant prepare their own food? What is specialized in them? We also can prepare food? No, we cannot prepare food because plant contains a green colored pigment that is called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll trap the sunlight and convert it into chemical energy. Now plant also take in carbon dioxide. Do plant have nose? No, they don't have nose, but still they can breathe. How? Because on their leaves there are very tiny pores. They are guarded by the guard cell. ये guard cells जो होते हैं, they protect the tiny pores. अब कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं? टाइनी पोर्स को ओपन करना है तो गार्ड सेल्स जगह देंगे. गार्ड सेल्स अगर बंद हो जाएंगे, सिकुड़ जाएंगे, तो द पोर्स विल गेट क्लोज. थ्रू दिस पोर्स दे एब्सॉर्ब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and other minerals and water they get from the soil. This way the plant carry out the process of photosynthesis. Here the photosynthesis reaction has been given, that is carbon dioxide plus water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. They prepare glucose, oxygen is liberated and water is released. So children, today we have learned about the nutrient present in the food, why do we need food and different mode of nutrition and the process of photosynthesis that the plant is performing. So thank you, and next chapter we will see in the another